Hello, in this video we're going to look at this problem that was posted in the review. So let's dive in. So a $480 TV was put on sale for 30% off. It didn't sell, so the price was lowered an additional percent off the sale price, making the new price $285.60. What is the second percent discount that was given? So this question really broken down into two steps. Our first step, step one, is we need to find 70% of $480. And so let's just do that two ways. It's the same thing, but let's just make sure we understand where this comes from. So the reason why we find 70% is because if it's 30% off, that means it's 70% of $480. So a lot of us would just do this. P is equal to, so let's say, let P be new price at 30% off. So we get P is equal to 480 times 0.7. So we get our trusty calculator out. 480 times 0.7, and we get 336. 336. There we go. Now, let's just do this a slightly different way to make sure we understand this. So, another way we could look at this is that if our initial price is 480, to find 30% off is like saying 480 minus 30% of 480. So we could say 480 times 0.3. And that's another way to think about these problems. And it's useful to have this visualization because sometimes when you get into more complicated problems, you might fall back on this. So what we could do is we could factor out that 480, and that's going to give me 1 minus 0.3. Pardon me, making a step ahead, 0.3. So we're going to get 480 times 0.7, and that's going to give us 336. So now what's step 2? Let's get a new color. Step 2. So for step 2, what we need to do is we know that the new price is $336, and we need to find what is the new discount. So we're going to say 336 times X equals the new price, and the new discount price was $285.60. 285.60. So we're going to say let X be the percent of the old price. So what this is going to be is this is going to be 336 times X, so X is equal to 285.60 divided by 336, and I get my calculator out, and I say 285.6, you can't see me typing this in off the side, divided by 336, and I get 0.85. Ooh, pardon me. Work eventually. 0.85. Now be careful here. The question is actually asking us for the percent discount. So the percent discount is actually is actually 15%, because if to find the new percent we're multiplying 336 by 85%, that means that it's 85% of the original value as a new price. Now again, let's just look at this in a slightly different way. We could also look at this like this. We could say let R be percent discount. So if I wanted to, again, this is a different approach. I could say 336 times 1 minus R equals 285. 0.60. So this is, it's not a big issue, but the math is a little bit more complicated. So we're going to first expand these brackets. 336 minus 336r equals 285.60 minus 336r equals 285.6 minus 336. Now what I should get here is a negative, because I have to divide it by the negative 336, and this r, of course, must be positive. So negative 336r, and let's do that. 285.6 minus 336 gives me 50.4, so negative 50.4. So r is equal to negative 50.4 divided by negative 336. So r is equal to, we get a calculator out, divided by 0.15. So again, this is a nice problem because it kind of takes a standard percentage type problem and it requires two steps. So the first step is to find 70% off, find the 70% of 480. And again, we showed two different ways we could do this. And then step two is to find the new percentage discount from that 336 to give me 285.6. I hope that video helped. Have a great day.